Geoff, you've just walked out of a meeting with the MTAA where you've been discussing the code for access to repair information. Tell us, what were the outcomes?
Thanks, David. The Motor Trades Association of Australia is our peak body, and we've been discussing today the outcomes of the review into the car industry from the ACCC in December last year. And one of the key aspects of that review was a notion of the release of repair information under a mandated code in Australia, and that recommendation has been put forward by the ACCC. The job of the MTAA now is to work with its affiliate groups to build that code. Currently, we have Skip Potter, one of the key architects of the similar code in the United States, with us, and Skip will be helping to advise us on how we put that code together. And that code we will put to government and seek their endorsement of it. The code shouldn't be seen as a divisive initiative. It's an initiative designed to help the industry and also to have a level playing field where independent repairers and franchise dealers all offer good services to their communities.